Make money online via survey. PrizeRebel is an online survey site that pays you to take surveys, watch videos or complete daily challenges. As you complete such tasks, you earn points. These points can then be redeemed for cash or gift cards from sites like Amazon, iTunes, eBay, PayPal and more, country dependent. Anyone in the US, UK, Canada, or Australia can complete surveys, but those outside these countries can still earn from offer walls, tasks, daily points, and gaining referrals. No matter where you are in the world, you can sign up and start earning. You have to be 18 plus years old, or 16 plus with parental consent, to use the site. PrizeRebel partners with market research companies who are looking for public opinions on their products or services. The best way to earn on PrizeRebel is through surveys. PrizeRebel tasks involve things like signing up for mailing lists, offer walls, making targeted searches and making purchases through their retail partners. You can also participate in contests, raffles and lucky number draws at the same time. Is PrizeRebel legit or a scam? PrizeRebel is definitely legit. It is owned by market research company iAngelic Incorporated, operates out of Las Vegas. Since starting out in 2007, PrizeRebel claims to have grown to almost 11 million members. It also reports $22 million have been paid out since then. PrizeRebel generally has a good reputation online. They have team members respond to questions and complaints on Reddit. So is PrizeRebel safe, you may ask? PrizeRebel is safe. Member accounts undergo manual security verifications at various stages. They also have a zero spam policy. How much does PrizeRebel pay? An average pay for someone spending a couple of hours completing surveys tends to be around the $5 to $10 mark. You can assume your earnings will be $2–5 an hour. PrizeRebel Pay works on a point-based system. 100 points will give you $1. The number of points available per survey is set by the advertisers themselves. Some pay out more than others and you will be informed before you start. Your earning also affects by your PrizeRebel's account levels. Your earning capacity increases as you earn points at advanced levels. The number of surveys available on the site is reported to be good, same as for other point-earning activities. How does PrizeRebel pay? Payment options are PayPal or gift cards, Amazon, Visa, iTunes. You can redeem earned points for cash via PayPal or Visa, and for gift vouchers from sites like Amazon, iTunes, eBay, Google Play, PlayStation, and more, country dependent. The minimum cash-out limits are set by the retailers. Some users report to be able to cash out for an Amazon gift card at $5. Processing rewards can take anything up to 24 hours. But for Gold members and above, redemptions are faster, within 10 minutes. You can sign up for PrizeRebel in description below. I spent some time searching for and testing hacks to help you earn more money on PrizeRebel. I noted that watching videos across multiple devices is a good way to earn points fast, but only up to 3 devices. PrizeRebel's referral program offers another way to earn cash. Recommend PrizeRebel to your friends via your own referral link and you'll earn points based on their activity. The higher account level you reach, the more points you earn from your referral. However, PrizeRebel does have some common complaints include issues qualifying or being screened out while taking surveys, being sent to repetitive third-party survey sites away from the platform, too many low-paying surveys. So is PrizeRebel worth it? PrizeRebel, even though the pay isn't great, could be worth it. However, if you're looking to earn a living working online, there are much better options for that, which I will make more videos on it.